Why Poland has a terrible geography. The first reason is Poland's cursed location. Poland is located on one of the flattest part of Europe, which means it has no natural protection to stop countries from entering its heartland. Because of this geographical disadvantage, it was so easily invaded and conquered by Germany and Soviet Union in World War II. Poland also has no access to open ocean like Spain and France. This is why it never became a major naval power in its entire history. The third reason is the Russian exclave of Kaliningrad. Poland is the only Central European country that still shares a border with Russia, which means it would have to face Russia right on its doorstep in case of a war between NATO and Russian allies.